welcome back to Money's Paradise. How are you all? I'm doing good. Hope you all are doing fine as well. Today I'm going to show you how to make dosa batter. Preparing dosa batter is really easy, but getting perfect dosas are hard. So today I'm going to show you the tips and tricks that I follow every time when I make dosa batter. We always follow these rules. So hope you all learn from this. Without any further delay, let's get into the kitchen and we'll see the ingredients. Let's go. For regular dosas, we all know we should use 1 cup of dal and 2 cups of rice. But here I'm using multi-millet dosa. So I took 1 cup of rice and 1 cup of urad dal, 1 cup of foxtail millets and 3/4 cup of ragi, which is finger millets, and quarter cup of chana dal and half spoon of methi seeds. Methi seeds will help to quicken the fermentation. Chana dal will help to get the better color, like hotel style color. That's why I took these methi seeds and chana dal. If millets are not available, don't worry. I'm going to show you different way to follow till the end. Let's take our rice, millets and dal into a container and wash it nicely until we'll get the clear water. We should soak at least for 4 hours. 4 hours soaking is mandatory. These millets have been soaked more than 4 hours. Now we'll start the grinding. Here I am using my wet grinder. Don't worry if you don't have wet grinder. I'm going to show you the different method too in the mixer grinder. Slowly add our soaked dal into the grinder. See, I have added all the dal into the grinder. Just add little water. Let's start the grinder. Let it grind. It will take hardly 10 minutes. Check in between. If required, add water little by little and scrape off the edges to grind the batter evenly with a better consistency. Our batter is ready. You can see fluffy, smooth batter. I have transferred this batter into a deep container so it has more room for fermentation. If you are staying in a cold country, leave this batter overnight for fermentation. Ensure to place a plate under this container to avoid any spill. This is an alternative way in case if you don't have wet grinder. Just take a mixie jar and add all the dals. To this, add an ice cube or little cold water. Adding cold water or ice cube gives nice consistency and smooth batter. Let's start grinding these dals and millets. It will take just 2 minutes in this mixer jar. Our batter is perfectly ready now. You can see the texture. Only thing is we need to add the ice cube or cold water to get the fluffy batter and to get the crispy dosas. This is the trick. If millets are not available, just you can substitute these with whatever flour is available. Here I am taking half cup of jawar flour, half cup of ragi flour, which is finger millet flour, and half cup of rice flour. And I took urad dal batter, 1 cup of urad dal batter. Grind this into a batter, full 1 cup. We are going to add this into a mixer grinder. Just take the mixie jar and start adding our flours. Jawar flour, ragi flour, rice flour, urad dal batter. Just add this everything into the mixer jar. Add little water to this. Let's grind it. Start grinding. It takes just 30 seconds. It's very simple method. Anybody can prepare this batter. Our batter is ready without any lumps. Just take it into a deep container. Let it ferment. Finally, our dosa batter is ready. Whenever you feel you want to make dosas, you just add some salt and add some water. Make it into a dosa batter. Dosa batter should be like this consistency, flowing consistency. Dosa batter always should be flowing consistency so that you will get nice crispy dosas. To get perfect dosas, at least we need to use the ladle with flat bottom. If this is not an option, you just use the bowl, backside of the bowl to spread the dosa batter so that you will get perfect dosas. while making. Dosa pan should be very hot while making dosas. First you have to make the hottest pan, then you have to pour the batter and make the dosas. See, you have to spread it evenly to get perfect dosas. If your dosas are not coming well, take a piece of onion and take with fork and start rubbing it on the pan with little bit of oil. Just rub it for 30 seconds. From next time you will get perfect dosas. It worked always for me. Hope it will work for you as well. Look at our perfect dosas. The color and the texture is so nice. Enjoy this dosa batter. I'm confident with these tips and tricks you will get 100% perfect dosas. Just try it and give your feedback. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.